The biggest challenge is to continue to grow in a declining market, bringing the consumer more and more value for their money.
I think our industry is going through an incredible amount of change. We saw this year lots of mergers that might have happened, some that did, and I think we're going to see more of that this year, and we'll just all have to be really nimble and ready for anything that the market throws at us.
The last challenge was to introduce 4G in the business, and now I think the next challenge is to go further into differentiations, and I'm thinking about fixed mobile convergence, which is not really a big thing in the UK, which start to be a big thing in France, for example.
The mobile market is in effect saturating, so there are less and less players out there, there's less and less distributors, so there's going to be less and less competition, but everyone's fighting for the same piece of pie, so the pie is a little bit smaller than it used to be.
Without regulation to enable MVNOs to flourish, we're not going to see that part of the industry playing the role that it could do, and I think it could play a really positive role. So I think what we need is for regulators to intervene to ensure that we have a level playing field.
I think we've seen a lot of market consolidation, both operator side and I think some of the handset manufacturers find it tough as well. So we've got to kind of find our route through that. But while we see sort of embryonic technologies through the Internet of Things and wearables and VR, I think there's loads of opportunity out there, and I think it's sort for distribution, particularly distributors like Tech Data, to create the right propositions and the right market pull for these products. So I think it's going to be really interesting, really tough, but really interesting year.
It's all about mergers and monopolies, isn't it? I mean, really, the European Union came up with the right decision about Hutchison, but it was just symptomatic of the whole way in which the market is consolidating over much in the hands of four operators.
I think where's distribution going, where's mobility going, we're all trying to guess that faster than the next person. So, we'll see where it goes.